Field Cricket Curtain brand was founded by Shaoxing Field Cricket Fabric Company Limited and is located in Keqiao, which is well known as the China Textile City. We specialize in curtain fabric research and development, production and sales. We are very strict about every link of production. We select high-quality yarn to match the imported weaving machine. Due to our excellent weaving technology, unique manufacturing process, we have a large warehouse and sufficient stock to ensure the timeliness of delivery. Each fabric is classified, whether your order is retail or wholesale. Delivery will be on time and accurate. Our sales team are all young people who can provide you with a full range of professional services. With our subtle sense in market and good knowledge in curtain fabric supply, we keep continuously developing new products, which makes our product can meet continuously changing economic and social needs. We warmly welcome partners to join us in the development of common business.